Don't you ever wish you had more time to spare? Let AutoApp take care of your ride, so you can take all the time you need to do what you love. Simply book a service through our app, and our service ambassador will pick your car up. It's that easy. Your car is now in the capable hands of our service ambassador. He will record down important details such as mileage, fuel level, and any defects on the car. Catch up with friends while your car makes its way to the workshop. While you're getting ready for a fun night out, your car is also on its way back to you. You look great, and so does your car. Don't forget to rate us so we know if you're happy with our service. Owning a car has never been simpler with AutoApp. It's that easy.